Assalamu alaikum. Hello business world. Welcome at RMG Bazaar. In this channel, we are going to review all kinds of ready-made garments and garments related products, especially made in Bangladesh ready-made garments products. As you all know that Bangladesh is in rank 2 after China for ready-made garments. All reputed brands like Calvin Klein, American Eagle, Jack and Jones, Kappa, Lee, Wrangler, Pepco, D&G, Gap, Rockies, H&M, and many more manufacture their products in Bangladesh. So, if you are interested in clothing business and want to buy stocks available here or want to make an order with your brand name, then watch our video and you will find your wanted items and manufacturer here. Let's jump into the main video. Guys, you can see this is a winter cap set with hat and muffler. This is made with materials acrylic and a warm fabric for winter based country. It is very cool, very soft. You can see its design. This is a set, a hat and a muffler. This product is only for winter based country. You can take this. We have already 40,000 piece stock for this product and its color will be 12 to 15 colors. All are set. Its packaging style 8 to 10 colors, 12 pieces in one blister poly. But if you want one poly, then we can arrange it for you. Each product is so warm and so soft. 100% QC passed. You can take it for your business, or if you want to manufacture this, we can do it for you. We have a source for its manufacturing, monthly 1 lakh pieces quantity. You can see various kinds of brand name here: Ferrari, Supreme, etc. All are made of acrylic cotton and a very warm fabric. It's called Sherpa fabric in Bangladesh. This is a made in Bangladesh product. You can see all are in set. This is original color and you can see the quality. You can see its quality is too good. If you want this product for your business, you can try. Right now this product has 40,000 piece in stock, and if you want more products, we can arrange or manufacture for you. You can also make this product with your brand name. You will find 12 to 15 colors for this product. It's very cool, very soft. You can see its finishing. too good. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11 colors here, and we have many more colors. As you have seen the full video, hope you loved that product. If you need this and you want to buy this, then contact info is in the description below. If you don't have any agents here in Bangladesh and you want a very good agent, then you can contact us. We will work in commission basis. We will search stock product for you, collect stock products, quality check for you, manufacture for your brand, and many more. So if you need our service in Bangladesh, contact us via mail or WhatsApp in the description below. Guys, if our video creates any value for your business life, then please give a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe our channel and turn on the bell button. See you in the next video. Take a good care of yourself.